everyone, have you ever thought of measuring distance electronically? Okay, if you haven't thought of it but you want to do it, I will show you how you are going to do it. Okay, you're going to need an Arduino, HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor and an LCD. Okay, now let's look at the second diagram. As you can see, this is our HC-SR04, our LCD and our Arduino. So here are the connections. Connect the echo pin to pin number 10 and the trick pin to pin number 9, and connect the SDA of the LCD to SDA of Arduino and the SCL of LCD to SCL of Arduino. Okay, now let's do the physical connections. Okay, let's look at the code. So we are going to be using a LCD, so we are going to need an LCD library. We are going to set the address of the LCD, and we are going to define the trick pin and the echo pin, S pin number 9 and pin number 10. We are going to set variables for duration and distance. So in this void setup, we are going to initiate the LCD, initiate the backlight, and then print distance on our LCD. So we are also going to define the pin mode for the trick pin and the echo pin use output and input, and then we are going to set the baud rate for the communication. So in our void loop, we are going to print the distance on caser number 11.0 and print centimeters on caser number 16.0. So we are going to have another function which we have already coded in the void loop, which is the reading function. So in the reading function, we are going to digital write the trick pin low, then delay for 2 seconds, then digital write the trick pin high, then delay for 10 seconds, and then digital write the trick pin low. Then we are going to calculate the duration, and then we are going to calculate the distance, and then we are going to go back and print the distance on the LCD. Okay, now let's upload the code and see. I hope you are ready to measure the distance now. Now, as you can see, if I move my hand, you can see the distance on the ruler and the distance on the screen is corresponding. Okay, and that wraps up our distance measuring project using the HC-SR04 ultrasonic sensor in Arduino. If you found this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to Kechez Electronics for more exciting electronics projects. Let me know in the comment section what project you'd like me to do next, and thanks for watching. Keep experimenting and keep innovating.